Good morning! Today I'm going to show you how to build this lamp. Dajik DIY! Think, build and share! I start off by drawing the design. You can find the templates on internet. I have made a replica of the Apple logo. I then glue my templates on an acrylic sheet and start cutting everything. I also sand the rough edges until I have the shape which is required. I make a square of 8.5 centimeters times 8.5 centimeters to serve as a bottom plate. I also build a box out of cardboard where I will hide all the electronics components. Now it is time for the soldering job. Here is the diagram of the connections. I make two holes on top of the box to place my LEDs. And then I fit all the wiring inside. And the project is completed. As we can see, in the dark It works pretty well and I am very happy with the results. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.